memorize, so we won't.
Okay, hurry.
The inside so hazy with clouds of toxic gas, fighting long, fighting hard in the depths of Josh's ass.
Alright, skip.
We must escape out from the ass, the world we must war, and when we feel reality to pieces will be torn. If he sits down, the world will die and misery will reign. All those who survive will be trapped in endless pain. You must carry on to warn the world, although your hope is gone. The ass is wide and very fat, your journey will be long. Deep inside the huge, enormous ass, you travel night and day. You must carry on to warn the world, although it's kinda gay. We will drown in giant pools of never-ending dark brown, in the depths of Josh's ass, in hazy clouds of toxic gas. I will never let us die beneath the brown sky. I'll stab the ass with my sword 100 billion times. The inside so hazy with clouds of toxic gas, fighting long, fighting hard in the depths of Josh's ass. We must keep on fighting. We can defeat the ass. We just have to continue despite its enormous mass.
Is that it?
That's what we got so far. Yeah.